8 pounds, 2
Like,
ounces.
holy shit! I said, Shelby carried that as little as you are. That's a big baby.
Yeah, that is a nice sized baby.
I'll say.
And now he's 7'15" and a half.
Yeah, they always lose weight, don't they?
He was 7'13" when he left the hospital.
There's the other one. And the last one's coming. There we go.
Shelby Welby Scooby Dooby Dooby Mommy. Wow. How's something that can be? Wow.
Good mom.
I know she's gonna be a good mom.
Why is your hand over your face?
He likes to do that when he eats.
I know, it's weird.
Oh. Oh.
Look at his little toes.
Oh.
That,
I'm gonna eat some toast, so you know.
that is cute. Look at that.
He's such a good baby, too.
Yeah, so far.
He goes. How is he through the night?
He's good. He wakes up to eat and goes back to bed.